In a striking new interview, the father of the accused Highland Park gunman says his son, Robert Crimo III, called a mass shooter in Denmark an idiot just hours before he allegedly unleashed a barrage of bullets on 4th of July parade goers, leaving 7 dead. Robert Crimo Jr. telling the New York Post the family is devastated, but also clearing himself of any wrongdoing. It was Crimo Jr. that sponsored his son's application for a gun permit just months after police seized an arsenal of knives, a dagger, and a sword from the Crimo residence. A relative saying Crimo III had threatened to kill everyone in the home. He bought everything on his own, and they're registered to him, the dad told the Post, adding that he's done nothing wrong. But state prosecutors aren't entirely convinced.
We're looking at all of the details of what everyone's involvement was, what everyone's knowledge was, when people were aware of the danger, when people were aware of the risk, the substantial risk to other individuals, and we continue to evaluate that as we receive evidence.
Crimo's parents have hired one of singer R. Kelly's former lawyers, Stephen Greenberg, to represent them. Greenberg declining an interview with CGTN, but on Twitter saying the system is trying to make this about parenting, and pointing out that it was the Illinois State Police who renewed Crimo's gun card when he turned 21, without any involvement from his father. The director of the state police, Brendan Kelly, defending that decision, saying that despite the knife encounter with police, there wasn't enough evidence to deny Crimo a gun license because he had no arrests, no restraining orders, and no mental health red flags.
All the things that are under the law that would be able to help us stop from issuing a firearms identification card, none of those factors were present at the time.
May they rest in peace, and let us say.
Parents of mass shooters are rarely prosecuted because proving culpability is difficult. But at a candlelight vigil on Wednesday night, Crimo's parents were already being judged in the court of public opinion.
I think they knew. I think that if parents buy their kids guns or whatever, they should be responsible too.
I think we have to be vigilant. People have to be more vigilant and pay attention.
While criminal charges aren't completely off the table, experts say it's more likely that Crimo's parents could face civil lawsuits brought by the families of the victims and also potentially by any of the hundreds of parade goers who fled for their lives. Their emotional scars likely to last for years to come. Toni Waterman, CGTN, Highland Park, Illinois.